I want to cut across to Simar Chawla, who is Shubham Dwivedi's wife, widow now. Simar, thank you for taking the time out and speaking to us. I want to ask you one question, Simar, with all humility. You know, I don't think there will ever be closure, Simar, of
Simar is talking to Aishanya Dwivedi.
Okay.
So Simar, if you could just put forth the question that Preeti was in fact raising to Aishanya about what a difficult time it's been and how she feels about the operation now that's happened.
Well, yes, Akshita, I'm being joined by Aishanya, the wife of Shubham, who was the first victim in this whole terror attack, who took the first bullet to his forehead. Aishanya, what we have got to know that it was Prime Minister Narendra Modi who gave the name of Operation Sindoor. It is supposed to connect with the women. In fact, you have been telling your ordeal in this whole operation, that how you felt like. How do you feel, and do you think that by giving the name Operation Sindoor, the justice has been done?
As I was saying this before, only and only Narendra Modi is the one who can connect with all the females in a way that he is the one who will give the name like this. Because emotions, he understand the emotions. He understand what we women are going through. He understand us. He understand the emotions. He understand the cries. So if I don't know if anybody else would have been giving the name. If it would have been anyone else. It can be anything. Sindoor रखना wasn't कि सिंदूर ही रखना चाहिए, but the way he gave this name, it's very personal, it's very connecting. I feel like he was actually acting on a personal level. He was actually acting कि ये मेरी बेटी है, मैं अपनी बेटी का बदला लेके आया हूँ.
How difficult was it the whole time? We have been seeing that, it was a very difficult time. You have been sharing your experiences, the horrific experience. How was this time when you thought that, the revenge will be taken? We have been waiting for this. You said that we want to take the revenge, but enough was not done. You think that enough is done now? And how do you recall your experience in this matter?
The families will get impatient. Everybody was getting impatient. किसी के घर का, किसी के husband ऐसे जाएगा तो impatient होना लाजमी है. I was also getting impatient. But right now, when I see that this has happened, we are at peace. Shubham must be at peace. And I'm really thankful to whatever happened. I'm really thank you so much. Thank you for everyone whosoever is a part of Operation Sindoor.
So there you heard from Aishanya, Akshita. She
Ask
thanked
her one
PM
more
Modi, obviously,
question.
and she says that
Would you ask
the personal
Simar?
connect has been made.
Simar, would you ask Aishanya one more question?
Yes, please,
Does
go
she
ahead.
somewhere down the line feel that there is closure now?
Aishanya, one question is from the studio. Our anchor Preeti asked that, do you think that it is a closure now? The closure has been given to all this, the act which has happened. Do you think finally it's done?
ये 9 hideouts थे, इनके 900 hideouts भी हो सकते हैं. When all the terrorists end, when the terrorism will end, that will be the closure. Our fight is with the terrorism. It was 9. I know कि they will not stop. The Indian government will not stop. The Indian army will not stop. They will finish terrorism. And our fight is with terrorism. I've been telling it. This is against terrorism. We need to fight against terrorism. And this is just the starting. This is just starting of it.
You said that the terrorists should be shot down. They should not be brought here. The same has been done by the Indian government and the armed forces. What do you think?
Somewhere I am little in peace because they died like that. They were just killed. I'm seriously really in relief. They were not being questioned. They were not being fed. They finished. The way they finished us, they finished like that. I'm happy.
Sense of satisfaction in you.
It is. I'm satisfied.
Thank you so much for speaking to India today and being so brave in this whole incident. So there you heard from Aishanya. She said that I'm satisfied, and there is a sense of satisfaction that they were shot dead and not brought, and not a trial was being done, as she was raising her request through our channel, in the past. So yes, she feels somewhere that the closure has been done in this very particular matter, and a sense of satisfaction is there in Aishanya and her whole family.
You know, it's a tough road ahead for so many of these families. Thank you, Simar, for joining us. But Preeti, tough road ahead for so many of these families who've, you know, lost their husbands, lost their fathers. You look at brave Aishanya there, you look at Himanshi Narwal. They've gone through so much in the last 2 weeks. And you hear Aishanya saying that I feel Shubham must be in peace now with what's happened. It gives you goosebumps, really. And I think the name Operation Sindoor is essentially to recognize also what each of these women have had to endure in the last 2 weeks, seeing their loved ones, their husband falling right before their eyes, then having to endure that pain with the nation, of course, standing with them. But there is a sense of closure, clearly, that they are feeling with this particular operation.
Well, you know, you are right there, because what could be more personal in a way than Operation Sindoor, because somewhere down the line it's connected directly to those who matter most. And those who matter most are on our television screens today. In whatever way, if this gives them solace, then there couldn't be a befitting name for this operation. It was a military strike, it was strategic, it was tactical, but the emotional context to it can be seen with what this young woman just told us, Akshata. Meanwhile, lots of reactions coming in. India hitting back at Pakistan after the Pahalgam attack. Lots of reactions coming in from the families of the 26 innocent lives that were lost.
When this incident happened after 22nd of April, the day when I lost my father, and many of the women lost their husbands. So I think the name Sindoor is given for the same reason, because the women lost their husbands, and whatever revenge is taken by our through airstrike, the revenge that is taken by our government is the best thing that has happened in the last 15 days with all of our families that we lost our loved ones. I think we should not stop until the terrorism is over.
असली ये जो सिखाया है और असली जो गुनाहगार थे जिनने बंदूक चलाई थी, उनको बंदूक से उड़ानी चाहिए, उनके सामने उड़ानी चाहिए। जब बेगुनाहों को जान लेते थे, कोई डर नहीं था, कोई खौफ नहीं था, उन्हें कुछ भी डरा था। एक शिकन नहीं थी उनके चेहरे पे।